and gentlemen, today I will show you how to easy you can swap the brakes on GLK350 Mercedes front and rear. For this you will need a jack to lift the vehicle itself. To take the nuts we use an impact Makita drive.
So for those who are interested in that, it's I'm not advertisement, but it's doing the job.
You can use this tire to sit on, and you go from very end.
The socket number 15, it's 15 millimeters, and let's keep that thing out. And you use this to hold in place another bolt. We're not counting small coffee break. Okay, давай, let's go. Usually people secure this by hooking up this hub into the here, but we just place it on top. And we got some wire over here. What is this, Danilo? Is that a sensor? Is that a sensor?
Хер его знает, что это
Oh, look at this. Hold on a second.
Когда-то, блядь.
That's probably wire for the sensor. I have to figure out what's going on. So
Here's how it's work. He have also a special tool. Danilo, show me the tool. He got this tool right here. You can of course go the other way without it, but he used both of them. You can buy them in the store, he said. He's a young mechanical. And that's how you do it. To place them back. I always use my hands. But anyway, that's how. Next step is to make sure to place them correct. The front and the rear, they are different. Side and outside. One that has a sensor is go on inside, and one doesn't have a sensor is going outside.
Easy.
and get the caliper.
You need another pair of glass? That's it? One side, sorry.
On this side, we should use this one. This
T45.
is Daniel, it's for T45, so you gotta use a T45 on the back. Oh, this has a sensor, Danilo.
Да, но у тебя на этих не стоят
So this one
сенсора.
does have a sensor, the other one we don't have a sensor. That makes sense.
Ну там у тебя на том
So
вообще не
you
было.
gotta have it with the sensor, like, but since we don't have it, we don't have it. There was only two sensors. One's on the front and it was damaged. This one has contact, but it's undamaged.
Сука. Но он все равно колодком идет.
So this one has the sensors. This is going inside. Okay. So one.
That we can reuse this old sensor, and we're probably going to fix the first one. We have kind of holes in there, so it does accept our sensor. And the hole's probably a little too small, but there you go. Got the thing in, so we got it with the sensor. Well, we attached the sensor, guys. Be careful, don't tear the sensors, so you can reuse them again. Put everything back in the caliper. Sensor on the back. Sensor is the last part to install. But we have 12 minutes, Danila. Let's do 10 minutes. Now I can do this sensor. Slide in. There we go. Make sure, guys, wire is away from the brake. That's pretty close. Just like this.
Все, тормоза.
That's it. The brakes is finished. 15 minutes, 50 seconds, so basically 15 minutes. And we're going to change that stuff right now, and also we're going to change the sensor on the brakes. So we will going to be resolder this right now and reinstall it back. Danila's accidentally pulled this thing out. That's not a big deal. We'll fix that.
Folks, so we just glue everything back, and that's what it looked like.